My whoa. How's it going, brothers? My name's PewDiePie.
First of all. First of all.
What is that? That's pretty cool. Oh, that's interesting. That's definitely interesting. What the fuck? Oh, Dash! Whoa! Oh! That is not okay.
Can I?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's not working out enough. I keep swearing. I keep being disgusting.
Don't do it, man. All right. Oh, belching is considered a sign of respect. A sign of respect. A sign of respect.
This is like me if the cringe is coming out. The cringe is coming out. I loved it. I loved it a lot. You know, it's a very important aspect of the game. But no tacos, I guess. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't fuck me.
You have 7 seconds to burp. Good job. Okay.
That girl just fucking peed on her. Nay. Alright, let's do this, bros. What's your least favorite word? Never. Just like. Me and Marcia will. I'm sorry. I fucking love this game so much. Sorry. What are you gonna do? Shoot him! Fear me! Get the fuck out of my bath, squirrel. Ooh, those sexy legs. Oh, sorry. I'm recording.
A sign of respect.